I fly 444. Welcome to Begin Within. The declaration. Welcome, traveler. Fly 44 isn't a fan club. It isn't a status symbol. It isn't a destination. It's an intentional journey. A commitment to begin within before seeking without. Growth before applause. Healing before performance. Purpose before popularity. Every testimony matters. Every lesson matters. Every step matters. Welcome, traveler. This isn't about becoming someone else. It's about becoming who God created you to be. Welcome to Begin Within. I'm a fly 444. Let's go.